rekindling the glory of Islamic scholar inventions through next-generation worshipping product innovations. The heyday of Islam began as early as the middle of the 7th century and once again proved that Islamic science was the forerunner of all kinds of creations and innovations in science and technology. However, today, we see Muslims struggling to make a name for themselves in pioneering science and technology. It should not be so, since many of the creations enjoyed today are based on inventions from Islamic civilizations rather than Western ones. Therefore, to restore the past glory, a new plan must begin from now. Among others, through the development of worship products for the use of Muslims worldwide. Studies have shown that efforts to produce tangible products are still low due to the increased focus on non-tangible products such as banking systems, health, and beauty products. Therefore, to ensure the idea of developing this worship product is clearly understood, several examples of existing worship products are presented and discussed regarding their weaknesses from a design perspective. 5 examples of the latest innovative products designed specifically for the needs of Muslims are described. The rationale for the need for innovations in worship products is also statistically discussed in light of the rapid growth of Muslims, with over 1.6 billion Muslims. Furthermore, as many as 9 groups of worship products have the potential to develop, such as products for prayer, knowledge gathering, pilgrimage, and Umrah. Finally, the design features that need to be considered for developing next-generation worship products to meet customer and market needs are also discussed. The results of this research are intended to raise awareness to the world about the golden age of Islamic science and that this innovation is still relevant today. Innovation is a catalyst for high-income economic development. In this regard, developing and producing innovative worship products can generate wealth to improve the quality of life of Muslims worldwide. Such is the initiative introduced by the Professional Design Team in Faculty of Innovative Design and Technology, FRIT, at University Sultan Jainul-Abidin, UniSZA, Malaysia, that has developed a range of Islamic conceptual products. Based on the results of the observation technique during the pilot test, conducted in many states across the country, there are several issues that need to be resolved, namely that Muslims in Malaysia desperately need innovative products that can help them to worship consistently and confidently. This means that there are still no well-built innovative Islamic-based products available in the local market. As such, the Muslim demographic group in the country as well as around the world, comprising senior citizens, adults, teens and children, will be able to enjoy the contributions produced by FRIT at UniSZA. Introduction. Islamic civilization played a crucial role in shaping the modern world, especially in the fields of science, technology, and education. From the 7th to the 13th century, known as the Islamic Golden Age, Muslim scholars made groundbreaking contributions in areas such as medicine, chemistry, physics, astronomy, mathematics, engineering, and philosophy. Famous figures like Ibn Sina in medicine, Imam Ghazali in philosophy, and Al-Raji in science are just a few examples of the many Islamic scholars who influenced global knowledge. A major intellectual center during this period was the House of Wisdom in Baghdad, where scholars of different backgrounds worked together to translate and develop scientific works from civilizations like Greece, India, and Persia. This effort preserved and advanced ancient knowledge, leading to new discoveries and inventions. Many everyday items and concepts we now take for granted, such as soap, the distillation process, windmills, and early versions of the camera, originated from innovations by Muslim scientists. They also developed the astrolabe for navigation and prayer direction, explored light and optics, and pioneered algebra and engineering concepts. In summary, The achievements of Islamic scholars during the Islamic Golden Age were vital to the progress of science and technology. Their work laid the foundation for many modern inventions and continues to influence the world today, proving that Islamic civilization was far ahead of its time in promoting knowledge, innovation, and cross-cultural collaboration. Conclusion: Islamic scholars were once leaders in science and innovation. To revive this legacy, it's important to focus on developing new worship-related products that benefit Muslims worldwide. With over 1.6 billion Muslims today, there is strong global demand for practical, Islamic-based products, ranging from prayer tools to items used during Hajj and Umrah. These products can improve the quality of life for Muslims while also generating economic growth. Designed to reflect Islamic values and identity, these products are made with local needs in mind, ensuring they are practical, portable, culturally accepted, and easy to produce. By meeting the needs of Muslims at home, work, school, or while traveling, these innovations serve the wider community, known in Islam as Fard al-Kifaya. Collaboration between industry and educational institutions is also key to ensuring these products meet global standards and help preserve Islamic culture for future generations. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.